Hey guys, Chris from Bravo Base Audio Installation, and today we're unboxing this Audiobahn 10-inch downfiring sub. The nice thing about this sub is being so it's downfiring, it allows you to actually put it in really confined spaces, and it's also built so you can tuck it under places, throw stuff on top. It actually protects the sub rather well. So let's go ahead and get this pulled apart. We'll throw some power to it and show you what it looks like. Now this sub, as we get this pulled apart, does claim that it is 500 watt RMS. So there's our sub, there's our 10-inch, very similar to a Pioneer. If you've seen these Pioneers down-inch sub, essentially it's the same type of box as the same type of sub. So when you mount it or insert it in the trunk or under a seat if you have the space, essentially that's how it mounts. Now the nice thing is this thing is super sturdy on the top of it, but allows you plenty of space up underneath for the sub to breathe. It is a sealed box as well. If we turn it to the side, we have spring terminals here. Again, this is a 4 ohm final impedance, and it does claim 500 watts RMS. So let's go ahead and throw some power to it and see what it sounds like. Alright, so we got this set up on our test bench here. Let's get some power applied to it. Alright, there you go. Sorry, the sound quality is kind of hard to tell from a camera, but honestly it actually sounds really good for a downfiring sub. We're going to throw this into a Pontiac Firebird, believe it or not. So go ahead and check the description. We'll have a link once that video is available to see this in action. Other than that, thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.